Alright, it's time to get a video of this unit. 2 5-ton 2008 Trane XB13s. Dad's apartment. New thermostats installed in 2012. Pretty good. See them? Yeah, I'll show you the units. This unit, the one that is running, has a new compressor and a new fan motor. Just cramped together. There's no way to install this units better. They have to be crammed together. That's not good, but of course there's no other way. So yeah. Here's the air handlers. Right here. Oh. Pretty nice day. Only one unit running right now. Show you the air handlers. Jeez. Right there. The other one. The ductwork really sucks. That's 30-year-old ductwork. This unit's replaced 1978 Carrier units back in 2008. Pretty good. So yeah. Why the hell is this thing closed? I don't know why it's fucking closed. Makes it run harder. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Pretty cool.